this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the settings for your Xbox wireless headset when you're on your Xbox Series X or S or even your Xbox One consoles. So if you do have that connected, we want to go up to the top and go to settings right here and then scroll on down to devices connections and go to controllers and headsets. Then locate your headset and then we can go to configure right in the middle. And then we have the equalizer. So if we go to the equalizer right here, we can adjust the audio profile specifically to different hertz. So we can go to a heavy bass one right here. This is what this one would look like. So it seems like the lower end sounds right here, 125 hertz to 50 hertz, are more of the bass. And then the upper sounds over here are something else. But we can just adjust these any way we want. Otherwise, we can select a preset. Otherwise, we can go to custom. So custom kind of left off where I was before, but typically I lower the bass and then I increase the middle values over here, just like that, just because my ears are sensitive to the bass sounds. So I'll turn off the bass right here, but you may want to have bass on if you're going to be playing like Call of Duty or something like that and you're listening to rumbles or specific sounds, just because the bass can help you identify footsteps a little bit easier. So you might want to turn that up on the left. And then turn up these lower values over here, like 125. So you can just fine tune that, go back between the game and this equalizer and just decide what you like. Then we have auto mute. So if we have it low, medium, or high, it says auto mute silences your mic when you're not speaking. When able, the sensitivity ranges from low to high pretty much. So if something's going on in the background, you maybe have a fan or something going on, well, your fan noise isn't going to be picked up if you have this set to like medium or high. Maybe it still would be on your low, but it's going to cut out all those background noises. So I'm just going to set that to medium, and then we have the microphone light. This gets annoying if you have your headset muted or unmuted. So let's see if I can even see it on here. I really don't notice it now. So let's try going to like high and just see if that is on. So let's unmute my microphone. So there's my light. Let's go to low. So it really doesn't change it too much, but I'm just going to keep mine at low so I know it's muted. Then we have mic monitoring. This is when you can hear yourself speak through your microphone and then it gets routed and picked up into your headset. So you can hear yourself speak. And then if we do have our headset connected to our phone, we can take incoming calls. And this one says Bluetooth calls. Don't reduce game audio. Reduce game audio by 80% or mute game audio right here. So we're going to speak to people while we're playing. Now there's additional options. If we press the Xbox button, go on over to volume, where you can see the headset volume, the headset chat mixer, and then the mic monitor we can adjust right there as well. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech. And this is just the battery indication right here for our headset.